You set up the AI, you watched the tutorial, connected all of the tools, ran the test, and for about a week, it genuinely looked like it was going to work. Then it started breaking. The workflows are producing more mess to clean up than they ever saved you. You're spending more time debugging than you would have spent just doing the task yourself. And everyone in the comments of the tutorial you followed is saying, well, it works perfectly for me. So now you think the problem is you. It isn't. It's not an AI problem. It's not a tools problem. It's a backbone problem. And I'm going to show you exactly what that means and what you need to build first. I'm Shelly Shulman. I'm a business systems strategist and I build the bits of the business that hold everything together. We're talking about the funnels, the automations, the lead pipelines, the platforms, doing all of the work behind the actual scenes. That includes AI. I have 20 years of experience across online and offline businesses, both service businesses and product businesses, which means I've seen what works, I've seen what doesn't, I've seen what breaks across a huge range of business models. Not just one type, not just one platform, not just one way of selling, not just one way of working. So when I tell you that AI is failing most small businesses right now, I'm not guessing. I've seen exactly why, and today I'm going to show you. Right now, there is an enormous wave of content telling you which AI platform to use, what platforms to connect it to, and what prompt will fix the behaviors. But what none of this content is telling you is that AI cannot function inside of a business that hasn't been built properly yet. And if nobody told you to build that structure before you started scaling, which for most business owners, nobody did, then you are asking for a very sophisticated piece of technology to simply automate chaos. Here's what happens when you automate chaos. It makes the chaos move even faster. I'm going to say something that probably won't make me popular in the AI space. Most business owners are not ready for AI agents yet. And it's not because they're behind and it's not because they've done anything wrong, but it's because they don't have the systems in place to be able to automate them in the first place. And just so we're clear, I love AI. I use AI every single week in my business for many different things. It helps me to plan my to-do list, time block my week, and review what I've actually achieved. It works brilliantly to do that for me. But here's why it works for me. My business already has a structure in place for the AI to operate inside. I'm not asking it to run my business. I'm asking it to support me as the person who runs the business. And that distinction is everything. The AI isn't the problem. The missing structure is the problem. The AI platform that you're using is only as good as the system it's actually operating inside. If that system is reactive, built by responding to whatever needed doing that day rather than designed intentionally from the start, you've got nothing stable in place for that automation to plug into. Look at it this way. You wouldn't hire a VA and then not tell them what their job actually is. AI is exactly the same. It needs a structure to operate inside. Without it, it's improvising and you end up cleaning up the mess. So let me tell you exactly what I mean when I say backbone. The backbone of your business is not your branding, it's not your offer, it's not your funnel, though each of those do actually matter. The backbone is the set of decisions your business has already made, written down, accessible, so that anything operating inside it can function without you needing to be present every single time something happens. Here's the test. If someone came to you tomorrow and asked you a question about how you did something in your business, do you have the answer written down or does the answer live in your head? Because if it lives in your head, you don't have a backbone yet. You have a you and you can't automate you. The AI platform you're using needs to know what's the goal of this task? What does a correct result look like? What happens when something unexpected comes in? If those answers aren't written down anywhere, it's got nothing to work from. So it guesses. And then that's when the misfires start. That's when you're going back to the tutorial wondering what you've done wrong. You haven't done anything wrong. You've just started at step 3 without finishing step 1. A few years ago, not having documented systems was a growth problem. It slowed you down, it cost you time, it made scaling harder. If somebody new started in a company, you had to teach them from scratch what they had to do, but you could manage it. But right now, it's a different kind of urgent because every single AI tool, every automation workflow, every agent requires input, and the quality of that input depends whether the whole thing works or falls apart entirely. Business owners getting the real results from AI right now are not the ones with the most sophisticated tools. They're the ones who did the unglamorous work first. The decision records, the delivery maps, the finish lines. They built a structure that already knew how to function, and then they connected it to AI. That's it. That's the difference. They didn't try and get AI to build a structure for them from scratch. Before you automate anything in your business, 3 things need to be in place. I call these the 3 vertebrae because without them, the spine has nothing to stand on. So the first vertebrae is the decision record. The most common decisions made in your business: how you handle a new inquiry, what happens if a client misses a payment, what your onboarding looks like. All of these need to live in a document, normally known as systems and processes or SOPs, but not in your memory, in a document, because AI cannot read your memory. The second vertebrae is the delivery map. You need to be able to see end to end how your core offer gets delivered, from the moment somebody pays to the moment the work is complete, written out step by step with every single decision point included. If you can't map it out, you cannot automate it reliably. And the third vertebrae is the finish line. What does done correctly look like in your business? What is the quality standard? What does a successful completion of this process actually produce? Without any of that, you are asking AI to aim at a target that you haven't even drawn, and it will miss. Not because it's a bad tool, but because you haven't told it what to aim for. If this is landing with you, make sure that you like the video and you subscribe. Now, here's what I want you to actually do this week, not eventually, this week. Pick one process from your business, just one, the one that runs most often in your business, whether that's your client onboarding, your lead response, your content workflow, your invoicing, whatever it is, pick one. Then I want you to write down every single step, every single decision point. What happens when it goes right? What would a new team member need to know to run it without asking you? Don't make it perfect, make it visible. Best way to do this, post-it notes, because as you're writing down steps, if you realize that you've missed a step, you can move the post-it notes apart and stick that step in. And then, only then, once you've done that, look at the parts of that process that could be handed over to automation. It's exactly the same process that I use with my clients. If they come to me asking me to automate something, I ask them to map out the whole process first, because if I don't know how the process works, I can't build it out. So, and if they don't know how the process works, they can't tell me. So we need to make sure everything is written down step by step, because once we have that, we have something real. And then the AI has an actual backbone that it can plug into. And that whole documented process is your first vertebrae. You build the whole spine from there. Business owners who are frustrated with the AI right now are not behind. They just started at step 3 without finishing step 1. Business owners who are frustrated with AI right now are not behind. They're just starting at step 3 without finishing step 1. And that's because so many people are teaching you how to use AI, how to build things out, but they're not making sure that you have that structure and that system in place before you go and try and input it into AI. And a lot of the time, you're running a business that was built around you being in it. And it needs a structure that functions even if you're not running the business. That is the work. And then once you do it, the automation will stop breaking. The AI will stop misfiring. The business will stop needing you in every single corner of it just to hold itself together. I'm Shelly Shulman. I build the backbone businesses actually need to run properly. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.